I want to talk about the day that I gave my cute little scooter the wrong fuel. So recently, I bought a scooter for my husband's birthday because living in Chicago, having a scooter is everything. You can go all sorts of places, all over town. You don't have to pay for parking. You can park anywhere that there's permit parking for free. So one day from work on his birthday, I picked him up in his brand new scooter, and we rode it all around town until it ran out of gas. The next day, I was heading to brunch, and I wasn't being mindful. I was on autopilot. I was moving way too fast, and I decided to swing by the gas station to get gas real quick. Thought that would be a nice thing for my husband. He wanted to take it later in the day. So at the time when I got the scooter, I was working with a good friend. His name's Anthony, and he's like the scooter guy. So he helped me put this scooter together, and he told me what I needed to do and how to maintain it and everything. I remember him saying, make sure you put premium gas in the scooter, because premium gas is a better quality fuel for your scooter, and it'll make it run more effortlessly and more efficiently. So when I get to the gas station, I'm racing around, totally on autopilot. I pull up to the tank, and I remember in my head him telling me, make sure you put premium gas, not unleaded. So I see the unleaded little nozzle, and I go to grab the one next to it, because he told me, do not put unleaded, put premium. So I grab the one next to it, put the gas in the tank, ride off, and about a mile down the way, my scooter starts to reek of gas, and it just dies on me. So I tried jump starting it a million times. I called my friend Anthony. I was like, what do you think it could be? He's like, well, you changed the gear oil, you did this and this and this. We ran through everything. And then finally he said to me, you put premium gas in the tank, right? And that's where everything started to connect. I started to connect the dots, and I realized that I was so unaware and not present and not mindful that I put diesel gas in the scooter. And what happens when you put diesel gas in a petroleum tank? It dies, right? So I thought it was like the death for my scooter until I started Googling, and I realized that my scooter could make a full transformation if I gave it a cleanse, if I detoxed it, if I gave it the right fuel. So I drained the fuel that was in there, I put the right fuel in, I revved it up a few times, I replaced the spark plugs, and it's running better than ever. So it's made a full transformation, but this is really similar to how the body runs when you give it the right fuel. So regardless of what you've put in your body, what kind of fuel you've put in your body over the years, forget about that. The body can make a full transformation when you give it the right fuel, because then it will be able to run with less effort. So think about that when it comes to what you're eating. We know that when we eat better, we're going to be able to perform better because it's what our body is made to have.